How to remove background in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, today we have got a fantastic tutorial lined up for you. I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a video using CapCut on your PC. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure you have got your video ready. Open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Then import your video by clicking the import and selecting the file. Drag and drop the video onto the timeline. You will see your video appear there. Then you need to click on the video. This will allow us to apply the background removal effect. Now you need to select video and then click on cutout. And then you need to go to cutout and click on auto cutout. It will start processing. Once the processing is completed, it will remove the background. As you can see, the first background was blue, but now it's removed. Now it's time to preview your video and make any necessary adjustment. Play it through and ensure the background is properly removed. You can also add a new background. Once you're satisfied with the background removal, it's time to export your video. Click export, choose your setting and hit export again. And there you have it. You successfully removed the background from your video. It's a fantastic way to create some stunning visual effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it thumbs up and consider subscribing for more editing tips and tricks. If you have any question or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.